How horrible is it when your favorite song comes on, but the bass is weak or the treble is ear-piercing? Too much of any one thing and the experience is ruined. Well-balanced audio requires the use of a good equalizer. And just like audio, great flavor requires harmony and balance. Introducing Crew EQ, specialty coffee glassware that harmonizes the senses. Featuring 2 unique yet complementary glasses and a gorgeous carafe that you can brew into. After months of designing, testing, and iterating, we finally created coffee glassware that activates all the senses. Both glasses feature double-walled borosilicate glass to keep the coffee warm yet cool to the touch, while the single wall keeps the rim thin so that it's comfortable to drink. Each glass differs in terms of liquid surface area, which affects the rate of oxidation, and in turn softens or amplifies tannins and acidity. They also differ in terms of rim architecture, which affects the flow and spread of coffee on your tongue. The clear glass allows for true appreciation of coffee color and texture. You can also find harmony and balance in the glass shapes. They are a perfect inverse of each other on the outside, yet feature a completely unique inner shape. The internal shapes offer different amounts of headspace, which greatly impacts the aromatic focus of the beverage. Because the coffee community cares so much about the origin, roast, and brew method, it just didn't seem right to be pouring a beautiful brew into a plain old mug. So we decided to change that. We developed complementary glasses that amplify or soften certain flavor notes, just like an audio equalizer, and put you in control of your sensory experience. Use the glasses in tandem to compare and contrast your roasts, or use them individually based on your preference. The Excite glass features a bulbous shape and large liquid surface area. This traps and circulates aroma while softening acidity and enhancing sweetness. It pairs well with full-bodied, chocolatey, nutty, or dark roasts. The Inspire glass features a narrow inner glass shape and smaller liquid surface area. This focuses and funnels the aroma while enhancing acidity. It pairs well with fruity, citrusy, or light roasts. The Evoke carafe is double-walled to keep temperature stable and can be used with popular brewers like an AeroPress or V60. We have a strong track record of delivering award-winning products, and our manufacturer is ready to go. But our success would not be possible without your input, encouragement, and support. By backing us now, you will help make this project a reality and be one of the first to harmonize your senses.
Are you leaning your head on garbage? Feathers, foam chunks, cotton, and whatever this is. Those may look and feel soft but break down and lose support when your neck needs it the most. So we designed a Dr. Relief air support pillow. The pillow height should be determined by the body type and the cervical arc depth. Dr. Relief's unique double valve can control the height of the pillow. This adjustable function could meet different people's requests. When the air cells are squeezed, the air inside flows to each other, dispersing the force point and the force area, which greatly reduces the pressure on the spine and the head. Amazing, right? Ordinary pillows sleep very hot, so you have to roll over or wake up hot in the middle of the night. Bye-bye. With Dr. Relief, there's no need because of its shallow slot gap design, which makes the air permeability of the pillow perfect. So it means your head and neck will stay comfortably cool all night.
Hello, I'm Fish, an industrial designer and co-founder of Taimon. Over the past 7 years, we have designed a lot of unique coffee equipment. Now we are developing an ultimate hand grinder. We are sure it will be the dream grinder for coffee love. We proudly present Chestnut X. There are already so many excellent hand grinders. If we want to do better, we can only start from the core. The most important part. First, we made 3D modeling in computer where we adjust the parameters after analyzing the grinding state and referring to the experience of champion baristas. We came up with an idea. The grinding process involves cutting and squeezing. If we reinforce the cutting factor and reduce the squeezing factor, this will reduce fines more effectively and cut beans into the desired particle size. We came up with S2C structure, which means spike to cut. It spikes the beans into large particles and cut them into pieces. Then we processed the samples and analyzed the particle distribution. We adjust tens of versions to optimize the burst. Now we are pleased to get competitive data. Based on S2C principle, silver skin won't get ground directly. They will fall down in large sheets so you can sieve them easily. It helps reduce the bitterness and get a cleaner cup of coffee. The burst will be made from 440 stainless steel, which is harder and more wear-resistant with hardness of 58.5 to 60 HRC. We made a portable and foldable handle design before and got many positive comments. It's easier to carry and store. A well-known coffee critic said every grinder should have such a handle. So we decided to use the sample structure on the X. The smooth structure requires high precision machining. I'm sure you will like it. Most of hand grinders have point-to-point adjustment. For some coffee lovers, limited clicks often fail to meet their need for more precise coarseness, while non-pore adjustment tends to slide the dial. Therefore, we designed a secondary adjustment, a small dial, and parts so delicate that you'd think it come from a Swiss watch. You can set directly to the number you want and fine-tune on a smaller dial. There are 24 clicks and you can adjust each click for another 5 secondary clicks. It means total of 120 clicks for very specific grinding.